Once upon a time, in a bustling city of grandeur, there lived a humble cobbler named Thomas. His shop, nestled between towering skyscrapers, was small, but it shimmered with a unique charm that drew curious travelers and townsfolk alike. One day, a mysterious man, cloaked in shadows, entered the cobbler's shop. He presented a worn-out pair of shoes and asked for a repair. Thomas, with a keen eye for detail, noticed a silver shilling tucked carefully inside the shoe. Intrigued, Thomas asked the man about the shilling. The man, with a cryptic smile, replied, "It is a token, a symbol of a choice I once made." He then vanished into the crowded city streets, leaving behind the curious cobbler and the silver shilling. That night, Thomas couldn't shake off the strange encounter. He decided to find out more about the silver shilling. He researched its history, legends, and myths. He discovered that the silver shilling was a symbol of a choice between two paths, one of wealth and power, the other of wisdom and contentment. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Thomas was captivated by the shilling story. He started to see parallels between the shilling and his own life. He realized that he, too, had choices to make, choices that could define his path. One day, a wealthy merchant offered to buy Thomas's shop. The offer was tempting, promising a life of comfort and luxury. But Thomas, remembering the silver shilling, chose to decline. He decided to continue his simple life, crafting shoes and sharing wisdom with those who visited his shop. The silver shilling, now a constant reminder of his choice, inspired Thomas to live a life of purpose, choosing wisdom and contentment over wealth and power. And so, the cobbler's shop continued to shimmer, a beacon of wisdom in the bustling city. The moral of this tale is not about the choice between wealth and wisdom, but about the power of choice itself. Each day, we are presented with choices, and it is up to us to choose the path that aligns with our values and defines our journey. The silver shilling serves as a reminder that every choice we make, no matter how small, has the power to shape our destiny.